Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Hopefully everything is okay with you guys. Alright, so we are at Savannah Park. Not necessarily, this is actually the Caribbean Cup. Preparation for the Caribbean Cup, which is tomorrow. Dunbeholden versus Harborview. Very, very interesting matchup. But when I hear speak about it, I will speak about the Reggae Girlz, the CFU U14 team. Now, the U14 team, the Reggae Girlz are actually participating in the CFU Challenge Series, Under 14 Challenge Series at this present moment. And yesterday, they recorded their first victory in the competition over Trinidad and Tobago, defeating them 1-0, courtesy of a penalty finished by Ricardo Richards. I almost forgot our last name, Ricardo Richards. You can imagine me forgot our first name, which is actually harder to remember. But there you go. But the young girls are stepping up their games now. Unfortunately, lost the first game against Puerto Rico. I think they got a thrashing 4-0. But certainly a bit of improvement. I see an improved performance against Trinidad. I'm hoping that we see a much more improved performance. It's a round robin type of fixture. 3 teams in the group. We are now ranked second in the group. Puerto Rico on 6 points and first. Jamaica on 3 points, and then Trinidad. So those are the 3 teams in the same group. So round robin of fixtures. We're going to play against Trinidad and Puerto Rico again. Next matchup, I think it's the 24th. My apologies. Let me just give you that direct information right now. The next matchup will be against Puerto Rico on the 23rd, actually, at 7 p.m. So that's the time for the next matchup against Puerto Rico. And the games will be on the CFU Facebook channel. You will be able to see Facebook page. My apologies. You'll be able to see games right there. So if you want to tune in to see the Reggae Girlz U14 team participate again, the game will be there. I've seen the other 2 games already. You can actually rewatch them because it's up there live, and actually it's like what it's stored on their page, so you'll be able to rewatch it. So hopefully you can see another a stronger performance against a very good Puerto Rico team. I'm hoping for that because they look good. If we can put in a stronger performance, maybe nick a draw or something like that. But I'm hopeful to see, so we get a result from that. In the other aspect of things, I'm hopeful that we can also get some another result against Trinidad. If we do, maybe we can advance by points, by the point standing, and see we'll go from there. But that's how it is for now, people. Bless up, massive respect, big up on yourself. Reggae Girlz U14 team in the CFU Challenge Series. They're doing pretty much okay. If you guys want to see that, you can tune into the CFU Facebook page. Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself, Reggae Girlz. Big up on yourself, MG Sports TV. We're out.